gonna grow bigger. خليها للقان.
But you can come and see those small ones you remove because they're not gonna grow.
Are you sure? I know.
Look how beautiful are these. Those are nice.
Yeah.
Ants eating it.
Just keep it somewhere.
No, you don't let.
Okay, leave it now. If that's gonna.
Oh, it's not gonna fall. Don't worry.
Fall. There's no wind anyway.
No.
No
It
wind
won't fall.
today.
No way. Even with the wind.
Alrighty. You are late, no?
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna leave this for seeds. Oh, happy now? Happy?
Yeah, I am happy. I am happy.
Happy na raw siya.
See how they.
Leave it so we can tie it like that later on. Ay, nako.
Like this, no more. Don't let it go like this.
No, I didn't.
Don't this one. Why you left it?
Because I thought it's gonna
Yeah, I know.
die.
See, the more you grow from here, the less food for this.
I don't know, it's gonna fruit this one?
Yeah, remove this. And this, don't keep it under the sun.
I know. I'll put it later.
You put it there.
Yeah. Leave it there. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, hello. Ano entay? It's empty. It's empty. Look at the tiny bird there. Da-dan!
It's coming.
It's the purple one.
Both. Two.
Oh,
Four. This is new.
it's coming new
leaves.
New leaves. Leaves. Ay nako. Where? Naku, mamamasyal na naman daw siya doon. Titingnan niya kung andoon pa yung tinatanggal niya last time. Ano ba itong si Jojo? Sarap na ng hangin, guys. Medyo malamig-lamig na. Medyo may ano na naman tayo ngayon. Allergy. Ano ba yan? Ay, ayun si little bird natin. Oh. Ayan siya, oh.
Did you see any more grasshoppers?
Oh, no. Sinishake na naman niya. Ayaw talaga niya may pupunta doon na grasshopper. Kinakain daw yung yung dahon.
One make a problem, you know.
Still there? Nasaan na yung ibon natin? Ayun siya, oh. Ayun.
Your butter thing died.
What? La?
Yeah.
How?
It died.
It's okay. It's gonna grow now. They're growing fast now because the weather is okay. It's not hot anymore.
You one coming now. Look.
Yeah. Butter na natin, guys, so nabuhay.
Yes. Look, I don't know this. Here,
Yes,
there is one here.
it's okay.
There is one here.
We'll see. You know, remember last year or the other year?
Yeah, we ate it.
That year is good. We got 3 of those. 3 butternuts, remember? Halika na. Nako.
I'm going.
Okay, ciao Bilo. Dami na namang ano, grass.
Julia. Beans.
Long beans, yes. Because it's windy yesterday, look, all the leaves is gone. Okay, let's go, let's go. Hi guys! Ito, pauwi na kami. Kasama ko si Kuya. The same place ulit. Nagpapagas lang kami saglit. Ayan o. Mahal na ng gas talaga guys oh. $4.99 pag cash. Pero pag credit card, pag ATM, $5.09 dito. Yung regular na ano lang ha. Yung regular na gas, petrol. Meron palang ano dito, Vietnamese rice noodles. Ayun o, doon. Ayun. Hindi naman makita guys oh. Anyway, doon. Dito malapit na yung sa amin dito guys. Doon ako pumupunta pag nag-market, doon sa stater doon o sa kabila. Dito yung ano, dito kami pumunta noon ni Jojo, 'di ba? Yung nung nagsalok kami ng tubig diyan oh. Sa kabilang gas station meron silang water dispenser, tama ba? Diyan. Pero mas mahal yung gas nila doon oh. $5.45. So kaya dito kami sa kabila nagpapagas. Oh, di ba? Alright, I'll see you again later guys. Ayun si Kuya doon no, siya ang nagpapump doon sa labas. Oh. Ayan, nag-craving tayo ng salad guys. Wala namang okasyon. Tsaka nag-request kasi yung mga ano natin sa pinag-anuhan natin sa trabaho. So, matagal ko nang pinramis kasi, so ito, gawa tayo para matikman nila yung sweets natin. Kaya yan, napagawa tuloy ako ng sweets. Okay na yan. I-ref na natin. Guys, sa halip na magbibit pa tayo ng cream, ito na lang nilagay ko, guys, oh. Ayan. Yan na lang yung nilagay ko. Parang instant ba? Oh, diba? Diretso na kain yan, guys. Hindi na nakagawa ng... Hindi na natin ibibit pa. O yan, i-ref na natin. Diretso na yan sa tiyan.